wake up, you go to work, you earn money, you spend money, you worry about money. But when someone asks you in English, how much do you earn? Are you saving money? Why is your rent late? Can you afford this? Suddenly, your mind goes blank, your confidence drops, and the only sentence that comes out is, money problem.
Yes, that used to be me. I knew how to earn money, but I didn't know how to talk about money in English.
And that is a serious problem, because money conversations happen everywhere. Jobs, shopping, travel, interviews, daily life. Today, we will fix that forever. Let's start with salary. This is one of the most sensitive topics. Many learners say, my salary is less, but native speakers usually say, my salary is low. I'm not earning much right now. I'm looking for a better paying job.
What if someone asks directly, how much do you earn?
You can answer politely without giving exact numbers. I earn enough to manage. It's decent. I'm comfortable for now. I'm working toward better income. These sound mature and confident. Now, let's talk about expenses. Instead of saying, I spend too much money, you can say, my expenses are high. I spend a lot on food. Most of my money goes to rent. I'm trying to cut down on spending.
Cut down sounds very natural.
Exactly. Phrasal verbs make your English sound real. Bills are a big part of adult life. Electricity bills, internet bills, phone bills. Useful sentences. I need to pay my bills. My rent is due tomorrow. I'm behind on my payments. This month is expensive.
What if I don't have enough money?
You can say, I'm a little short this month. Money is tight right now. I'm managing carefully. These are polite and honest. Saving money is an important life skill. Simple sentences, I'm saving for the future. I'm trying to build my savings. I put some money aside every month. I'm saving up for a trip.
Saving up sounds motivating.
Yes, it shows purpose. Now, shopping, something everyone relates to. Instead of saying, this is costly, say, this is expensive. I can't afford this. It's out of my budget. I'm just browsing. I'm looking for something cheaper.
What if I like something but don't want to buy it?
You can say, I'll think about it. Maybe next time. I'm trying to save money. Sometimes money is simply not there. But instead of saying, I'm broke in serious situations, say, I'm low on cash. I'm on a tight budget. I'm trying to be careful with money.
So broke is okay with friends, but not formal.
Exactly. This is delicate. Use polite sentences. Can you lend me some money? I'll pay you back soon. I owe you. Take your time. And when someone owes me, you can say, just a reminder about the money, whenever you're ready. Polite language keeps relationships strong. Goals make conversations positive. I want financial stability. I'm planning to invest. I'm working toward financial freedom. I want to buy a house someday.
That sounds powerful.
Because it shows direction and maturity. Alvin, tell me about your financial month.
This month is a bit expensive. My rent is due and my bills are high. I'm trying to cut down on spending, but I'm also saving up for a new laptop.
Excellent. Clear, natural, confident English. Now it's your turn. Answer this in English. How do you manage your money every month? 1 or 2 sentences are enough.
Remember, practice creates fluency.
Money conversations are part of real life. If you avoid them, you avoid opportunities.
But today, you learned something powerful. Not grammar, not theory, real-life English.
You don't need complex vocabulary. You need clarity and confidence.
Talk about your salary. Talk about your expenses. Talk about your goals.
Because money controls many things in life. but your English confidence can control your future.
If this episode helped you, share English with ease with someone who wants to speak English confidently.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.